Refresh your furniture with a little DIY magic. Sometimes the furniture you already own just needs a little love to feel brand new again. Sanding down old wooden pieces and refinishing them with paint or stain can completely transform them. Opt for bold colors for a statement or stick to classic neutrals for timeless appeal. Reupholstering your chairs and sofas is another way to breathe life into tired furniture. Look for affordable fabric options and don't shy away from mixing patterns or textures for a unique look. Even throw pillows and slipcovers can make a huge difference, offering a quick refresh without the need for big changes. Repurposing furniture can also be a fun and rewarding project. Turn an old dresser into a chic TV console or transform wooden crates into a trendy coffee table. The possibilities are endless when you let your creativity take the wheel. When you personalize your furniture, it adds a sense of character and uniqueness to your home. Plus, DIY furniture projects are not only budget-friendly but also deeply satisfying when you see the final result.